at Mayo Beef.
PDQ, baby. It's been so long.
So excited.
Tonight's excursion is preparing for Hurricane Milton that has apparently gone from a tropical storm to a Category 5 hurricane in a matter of 24 hours.
If this is the worst one that we have since moving here, I wish it could have had a cooler name than Milton.
A cooler name. Hi, baby. So we are going to be preparing the porch. We've already filled up our tub with water. We've filled up on gas. We've got cans of food. Whew. Let's do this, baby.
Oh, he looked at you.
Thank you. Stop it. Stop. Boy, thank you for responding. Hi. Josh also managed to get his truck in the garage. So it's protected just in case. I guess we don't need to go out the garage door. Right, Woods? Hey, at least the truck's gonna be protected though. All right, I think we are ready. We've got the porch all packed up, strapped down. There's the grill. Everything should be good there. Everything else is basically in this bedroom. We've got our package of bottled water and cans of food just in case, our flashlights, all of our cushions. The only thing we're not sure of what we're gonna do is for the boys with the bathroom, but oh well. We'll cross that road if we need to.
They'll just have to get wet.
We'll just have to get wet, Woods. Sorry, baby. Right, Buzz? Might get a little rain tonight. What do you think, Beeb?
I think it's a high probability.
High probability. Let's go on our walk now, boys, while we can.
With all the other people going on last day walks.
Of course.
Our first to-do list item on this Tuesday before Hurricane Milton is to fill out the application to install our permanent lights.
This is a process.
We don't like HOAs. This stinks. We have to get our plot plan, but we will get it done.
Who asked for a plot plan for lights?
The lights.
These two are gonna lose their ever-loving minds. Hi, baby. Sleepy boy.
Because we drugged him.
He did get a little bit of a calming pill since the weather might cause them to act up a little bit today.
Well, and we're going to the vet.
And we're going to the vet. Apparently this is the result of the calming gummy. Baby, he's a sweet boy. How's it going, Woods?
This is the most snuggling I've ever gotten from him.
Oh no. What? Just getting an update on the beginning of the hurricane stuff. It's supposed to hit today, but not until later this evening. So we'll see what this evening holds. But for now, it is just gloomy skies and lots of rain. So far, not too bad. Can handle a little bit of rain. Right, boys? Boys disagree with me probably, but it's definitely cooler though. You can feel that there's been a temp difference. Hi, Woods. What you think, Buzzy? Whew. I think the boys enjoy it when Daddy comes to work in his recliner. And there's the other one.
It's peanut time.
It's peanut time.
You got boys that love peanuts.
It's getting a little darker in the house. It's only about 3-ish, so it's gotten a little darker, but at least we have tons of LED lights, so heck yeah, for work. Woohoo! Wow. Woodsy, what you doing? There he is. Hi, baby. We're just standing out here for a second, kind of watching the storm. Buzz is out here with us too. Just standing on the porch, you know. And guess who's inside? Hi, Woods. You want nothing to do with this, do you, buddy?
He's like, you guys have fun out there. I'm going to stay right here on the couch.
While 3 of us are out here.
Storm watching.
Woohoo! Hi, Buzzy! Buzzy. It's okay. Getting a lot more wind and rain. The side yard where we were having the boys go to the bathroom is slightly flooded at this point, but more towards the back because of the gutters.
So you can probably still bring him up front.
We just have to bring them up front.
Woody, can you release? Good boy.
Getting to watch Scream while it's dark and windy outside. Got some banana bread and beer. Because apparently that's what Floridians do during hurricanes. Movie number 2, we're going to watch Hocus Pocus. We're going to probably stay up until 11 just to double check, make sure the winds and everything are okay before we try to go to bed. So we got Hocus Pocus 2 on. Made myself some popcorn because apparently I just had the munchies. So between eating banana bread and popcorn, I'm hungry, apparently. Or stress eating, we'll see. But the boys definitely don't mind. Do you guys?
These boys love popcorn. They are watching her like a hawk.
Why?
So great.
Do you want one?
How is that even possible? Your dad would never let you do that. Here's my idea.
I told her I wanted to talk to them first.
Oh, do you guys want to talk now?
No, it's fine. We don't have anything to talk about. Have fun at your friend. Oh, come on.
Are you guys gonna be busy doing witchery?
This is windy. Oh, dang.
Yeah, I saw that.
You did? We can't see much, but you can definitely hear it. Our side yard here is already pretty flooded. We were trying to see if we could see what our poor little tree in the back is looking like, but it's not looking like we can.
Can't see it?
No. I mean, at least not well. Only little casualties might be the plants. Our trees were kind of really, looks like it was like pulled up. Oh, that's a shame. Well, like Josh said, we can try our redneck fix.
Redneck idea. I'm gonna strap it to my truck.
There you go. So yeah, if plants were the only things that we had a casualty for during all this, then we will take it. Our house stayed strong. Finally actually got the boys to go outside. A little bit of debris everywhere. I don't know how much they're loving it, but hey, at least we're going on a walk finally. Right, babies?
Get them to calm down a little.
Woo-wee. I can't believe it. I thought for sure that crooked one was gonna come.
We still have trees. It is the morning after, a sleeping in morning after.
It is.
The things that woke us up was not the hurricane, but the dogs.
Oh my God.
Hopefully their stomachs get figured out. But yep, we still have trees. We still have a house. We have no flooding. And it's cool. So we've got
cool.
these windows open. And it's so nice.
It's not too bad. Not too bad. Have to fix these trees. Got Josh's truck back out of the garage. Let's try to redneck this bad boy. This is how you redneck fixing a tree.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Bam. Nicely done, handsome.
Thank you.
It's actually cool enough to sit out on the porch.
This is so nice. First time since spring.
Yeah. You boys enjoying it too, right, Woods? How about you, Buzz? Hi.
I just told someone that for her birthday present, we're going to go to a Luke Combs concert.
Yeah.
So we just made a Luke Combs playlist, and we're going to be listening to that the next few days leading up to the concert, so we're ready.
Bam! We're so ready, baby. Christmas shopping for each other, so we can make sure to have that all done before, you know, the holidays hit. But apparently he's sitting in Woody's chair, and so Woody's trying to make sure that he knows that.
Pushing my laptop off.
Woodsy! Is he sitting in your chair? Yeah. Buzz is sitting out here too. Still pretty nice out. Arby's, baby.
So hungry!
Someone is very pumped for Arby's.
Yes.
Bam! While watching some Halloween Heist from Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Oh,
Bam!
yeah. Oh my. Wow.
Oh my gosh! Where is he? Boys!
It's like
Buzz!
Buzz is a ghost.
Hi there, little helpers. How's it going? No, Buzz, stay up there. It's been an interesting last 12 hours. Josh got an email last night that my birthday plans were canceled because of the hurricane. So that was...
It's 2 weeks away.
2 weeks away, but apparently they were canceled. And then this morning, somebody decided to have stomach issues and like bad stomach issues. So we are running him to the emergency vet, which has affected our grocery shopping. So no, we do not have currently have groceries for this week, but it's fine. So we stopped off at McDonald's, get us some food, and, and Josh has officially also planned my second backup birthday plan. So it's also date night, supposedly, but we'll see what this all entails.
All right, we are beginning this date night that Kylie has planned for me. She is currently playing a playlist that she has made that she said makes her think of me. And now we are doing what? Can you explain?
So according to the Adventure Challenge book, we are to make a comic strip of our meeting, or how we met.
Oh, how we met.
Yeah, our love story, basically. We're supposed to make a comic strip of it, so.
Well, I know whose squares are going to be the good-looking ones.
Stop it. It's made with love. Oh my god. What?
This is so bad. Why do you make me draw?
It's cute, I love it.
All right, we are done. Let's do the first initial reveal. Oh! She did bean characters. How smart. I tried to draw humans.
I love it. For dinner, we've decided to come back to Island Wing Co. because it's been so long. Yeah, baby. Gotta get our famous cheese fries that we love so much. And
Supposedly it's been over a year. I can't believe that. Too many good places to go around here.
too many good places. Gosh darn it. There's actually a few more people in here this time, which I'm very glad because we want this place to stay in business.
After what happened to walk-ons.
I know after what happened to walk-ons. Rip. Island Wing Co. Free advertising right here. Super great place.
Yeah, come here.
Way to go, Island Wing Co. Those smell phenomenal. Which one is it?
I think it's a Kickin' Honey Bourbon.
Oh, nice. Wrap up date night, we are going to do the Target Challenge. Where we have to get each other something from the list. Stuff like favorite color, etc. Favorite drink, favorite snack. And then we'll gather together at the end, show each other our prizes. Where is it? There we go. Heck yeah. From the Target. Now it's from the Target. Wow, what'd I say? From the Target Challenge. So now I get to find out what Josh has found for me. Well done, Beep. Well done. A lot of really good stuff here.
Speed around it. This is something that reminds me of Kylie. Favorite snack. Something she needs for the house. Something she needs in general. Her favorite color. Favorite drink.
Wine.
Blueberry wine.
Blueberry wine.
And then something I want her to try.
Bam!
Never had drumsticks.
Heck yeah! Nicely done. Woo! Woo! Well, Josh is currently already wearing one of the things that he got for his date night. Got
Such a cool shirt. I gotta wear it.
Mario Kart shirt, and then the thing that was his favorite color is that blue cotton candy, baby blue cotton candy to be specific.
Yeah.
And then something he needed was a mirror for the shower so that he could shave in the shower. And then something I wanted to try is a new scent of Duke Cannon. So we'll see about it. We'll see about that. It smells pretty good.
What else?
His favorite snack is the donuts.
Oh yeah.
And then favorite drink. Where do you go?
Over here.
Oh, Mountain Dew, zero sugar.
Baja
Mountain
Blast.
Dew. There you go.
And then
Oh, and then the thing that he needed for the house was a new pan.
new pan. It's ceramic. It looks nice.
How much he hated the old pan that would bend and burn food.
Burn
Understandably
food.
so.
Yeah, hate that thing. Thanks, my love.
You're welcome. Thank you, my love. Corpse Bride. Da da da.
So it turns out this is Kylie's first time having cotton candy, and she is amazed
I mean, where'd it go?
and shocked.
Seriously, where'd it go?
But it tastes good, right?
I mean, it was weird.
You can't have any.
No, you cannot, baby.